There are some employees, they really actively participate in this game. They really add something besides of their job description. And there is a question how to motivate your team to keep up with their work. But I think it's much better to ask how to motivate yourself, how to motivate employees, how to motivate yourself if you are an executive or an expert or a programmer, coder, doesn't matter. And our life changed. Now everyone's life changed, and we cannot be at our restaurants, lovely ones. We cannot visit our offices. We don't see our friends. We cannot travel. Everything changed. And sometimes it looks awful, really. It feels awful. Especially, I'm a very happy person. I have a very big apartment, and I've been working at my home for years. I have my own office, studio at home. So from work, so this job part of my life, it doesn't change at all. But when it comes to restaurants, travels, entertainments, of course, it changed. But maybe you notice, maybe you don't, but maybe you notice that there are some people, they are very alive in this situation, very active. They change things, they have a lot of ideas, they act fast, and there are other people, they feel as victims. And there is a secret why it happens with us. And first, maybe it happens because they are spectators. Some people, they are spectators. They don't participate in this game. Even when it comes to a business, there are some employees, they really actively participate in this game. They really add something besides of their job description, but they just feel this way, that they are players in this game. And they interact with their managers, they participate, and they're pretty loyal. And there are others, they are spectators. They have their job descriptions, they follow this job description, they do their job, they have their salary, and that's it. And the second ones, of course, now they feel very bad. It's clear. First one, they feel much better, and I believe you see it. And how to change your mind? For example, if you feel as a victim, how to change it? It's easy. You just need to decide that you are going to win. You are going to use these particular circumstances to reach something, to create something, to reach some new level, to start some new activity, to acquire some new knowledge, to start to use some new tools in your professional area, to, anything, just anything in these particular circumstances. It's just about your mindset, because we're talking about your energy, we're talking about your attitude. If you want to switch it from this spectacular mode to a creator mode, you have to create. You have to set up some goals. You have to, for example, now I have a lot of problems also because our income around the world, now it's about 50% of the previous year. If we take our previous year weekly income, average one, now for last 2 or 3 weeks, we have only 50%. Because of New York, because of the United States in general, because of Russia, Ukraine, Kazakhstan, all these European countries, only one region works the same way, even better. It's Taiwan, China and Taiwan. This part of our business works just fine. Nothing changed. Happy people, really. They are prepared for everything. They even don't notice what happens around the world. Happy people, I love them really very much. But, my income now it's about 50%. So I'm not proud about it. But I have my games, I have my goals, I know what I'm going to do, I know how I'm going to change it. And we already started all these projects a few weeks ago. And it works step by step. It becomes better. And this is why I am full of energy. And this is why I'm not worried. I don't really struggle with the lack of or job or something like this. Of course, I cannot wait until my lovely restaurant is open and I can have all this entertainments. But when it comes to my job, I'm full of energy. I'm very excited. I really love what really happens now because of these circumstances. Now we implement all these beautiful ideas which we couldn't or didn't want to implement for a while. So just change your mind, set up some goals, try to use this situation somehow, find a way how to use it, and switch this mode from spectacular mode to a creator mode, and you will feel absolutely different way. And of course, if you have employees and you see that their moral is very low, they are not very excited, and you need to motivate them somehow, there is a secret how to motivate your juniors. Make them work as hard as they never worked before. This is the best motivational tool, believe me. Make them. Please provide them with the workload, enormous amount of targets, and make them follow all these plans, targets, and you will see they will become much more alive as the result.